Hey, once again, it's your boy The Hunt, back again with another unboxing video. Just sent you a little bit. Can you see that? There's more of it. I'm wearing a shirt I got at the Winter Olympics. So, today we got something from Tokyo Taco Mode. I think I know it's in here already, so, but it's gonna be fun, but, you know, it's the, you know what it's called. Actually, I almost bought it. At least I have some presents that this is a mystery. So, as always, gotta wait for yourself so in case something happens, you don't die, because dying means paperwork for somebody. Alright. Surprisingly, this thing came before like 3 other packages I've been waiting on, unless those ones already came, which is possible. So, we got this month's sticker thingy. Holder. With this, we got been a little bit harsher than usual. And a sticker. Oh, those are stickers. File folder. Very nifty. As always. Pop you in there. And now it's time for Ninja-kun. Alright. Get you out. So I'm not sure if I mentioned this part here. It's kind of like a Beanie Baby. Pretty soft. Normally we would want to leave the taggy on there, but you know, I'm cutting this tag off. That tag needs to go. Let me show you the tag again. The Ninja-kun mascot thing. How adorable. I'm just gonna leave it actually out. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna leave it out. I'll show it there for now. Maybe use a bookmark. Ninja-kun, very soft, very cushy, plushy. Ooh, and look at this. So, change the light and darkness kind of thing. Alright. So, got Ninja-kun. I'm happy. Part of Tom's 6th birthday. That's so awesome. He also got some else from him as well for the 6th birthday as well. Can't wait for that, but I think it's coming later on. Much later on. Alright. Stay by, Ninja-kun.